Good morning. Here I am at lovely Milestone Beach. I just thought I'd take the moment to try and help out if people are saying to themselves, I can't go camping, I can't get away, I can't get out and about because I don't have the gear. I haven't got cooking equipment, haven't got a stove, haven't got saucepans, haven't got a fridge, haven't got an esky, can't wash up. I'll show you a secret. Something that has probably come along and grown over the years. It certainly wasn't around when I was camping in the 70s and 80s. Started out, and I'd like to share it with you. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is what I was promising you. It's called a camp kitchen. A lot of caravan parks and camping areas have these now on various scales, but I thought I'd show you this one. They've got kettles, they've got a little oven, workbenches. Someone's been using a slow cooker, there's some food left over in there. Microwave, power points, cutting boards, tea towels, scourers, washing up liquid, washing up towels, sink, hot water, a fridge, same thing again, a stove, a microwave, all around here. And then there's even barbecue area inside. So there's not too much you'll be wanting that you need here. You might have to bring your own saucepan, or have to bring your own food and that sort of stuff. Well, you do have to bring your own food. And then the fridge. Now the etiquette around fridge is quite often what you do is you put your site number on your food, and you've got so many days to use it up, otherwise they'll throw them out. Anything unmarked, they say on this fridge, will be thrown out on Mondays. So if you do want to get out and about, ring ahead, find out what the camp kitchen's got, see what you need to bring. There's a hot water system. Have a chat to people. There you are, saucepans and frying pans. So there you go. Not many excuses to say, I'm going to stay home. And then you get your eating areas, a relaxation area, TV, if you can agree on a channel to watch, and a snack bar and some reading books.